Hello guys, this is my Solpick account right here. You can see I made the withdrawal 10 hours ago. So let me actually go with my Phantom with and show you guys this particular withdrawal proof right here, okay? So this is the withdrawal proof right here. When I come back to my Phantom, as you can see, plus 0, 2 Solana. I just received this from the Solpick website. As you can see, this is the withdrawal proof. So let me show you guys exactly how I earned this amount of money using this faucet website. So the first way to totally start earning is by completing the hourly faucet. Depending on your level, you get access to more hourly payout from the faucet. So this is my leverage right here. I'm currently on the silver level, so I'm in this amount of sold every hour. I'll just click on claim now. And when I click claim, you can see my balance has actually increased right here, right now. So I can come back in the next 1 hour to actually claim again. Okay, now how do you actually increase your level? You increase your level by playing games. So there are different games you can play on here. So I actually do. This is that I come back here and the game that changes to 1. So the one I got from Faucet, I actually use them to play games and increase my rank so I can earn more per hour. So I can just click on something like this and it actually starts increasing my level for me right here. So the higher you go, the more your level actually increases. So as you can see, to get to the next level, you're not going to reach this target. So another way to actually start earning is by completing service, which is actually a very popular way to end on. Get paid to sites just like this particular one. So you can complete service from either CPX Research, BitLabs, or Temple. And as you can see, this is the minister who actually earned 12 cents, the 24 minister who actually earned 39 cents, and so on and so forth. So you can also come back to the context section right here, and you could participate in the weekly contest to actually start earning free sold for yourself. You could also participate in their weekly referrer contest to start earning free sold also for yourself, okay? So there are more ways you can also start earning. Click on the affiliate section or the referrer section, and you could earn from your referrer. So you get 50% of their full set claims, all right? You also earn 5% of the surveys they complete and 4% of the games they actually play right here. So as you can see, I've actually invited about 300 persons on here, and I've earned about 44 sold from them alone. That is about $100 just from referrers. So referrers, they go to end, but you can end which of the referrers from this particular app. Click on withdraw right here to actually withdraw. Select Solana when you want to withdraw. Enter your wallet address from Phantom, Mexi, BitJet, or any other exchange you want to use. Click on the max price right here, which is your amount or your balance. So this is the minimum withdraw. The minimum withdraw is 25. So to verify you are human, which is the capture, and click on withdraw, and you get paid to your wallet instantly. So there is only I have making money from this particular book. If you want to see more videos like this, leave me like on this video, subscribe on channel notifications, so you'll be the first to get notified by YouTube each time I drop ever content just like what you just watched, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.